Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Iran's nature, the four-season country with unparalleled natural sights from north to south. From 40 million years old Hirkani jungles to sky-blue Persian Gulf, showing off to the world the snow-clad mountains of Alborz and Zagros, wetlands and lakes, luscious plains, rivers and roaring waterfalls, caves and golden deserts. Every corner of this land displays greatness, grandeur, and majesty of the region. Melkavan Real Estate, your companion in northern Iran.